Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great, wonderful Wednesday. I hope your week is being great to you. Um, for those who do not know me, my name is Ramera, aka Merida Goddess 22, and a little bit about myself: 29 years old, stay-at-home mom to three wonderful boys, and I rob things legally, and I'm here to teach you how. All right, so today is Wednesday. We're doing our Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. We're doing our weekly market update over our Sunday market outlook or Sunday market review to see what is happening. Like I said, this week will be a interesting week because it is very volatile this week. So today we actually had ADP non-farm employment change. It was actually greater than what it was forecast. So just getting over the boring stuff, but very interesting stuff that is needed, vital stuff actually. All right, so tomorrow, starting at 2:30 a.m., we got some news that is starting to take place. 7 a.m. GDP, and 7:30, 8:30 is our unemployment claims, and 10 a.m. is our ISM, and then followed by Friday, 8:30 CAD and US for our non-farm payroll. All right, so let's go over our trades. Let's see what has happened since we talked about on Sunday. So let's start off with EU. With EU, I think I had a couple of I said a couple of things. I'll say I actually had a sales setup that I had. And it finally went into profit. It actually went a little bit low. I think she actually cleared that void here by this week. Here's my arrow. They moved a lot of stuff around, and I am like not happy. But whatever. Here is that wick here on the daily time frame. That actually happened this morning at 9 a.m. So I could go ahead and clear this void or just basically move it ahead. All right, so 78 pips in the bag if you held it. I know y'all see this right here, this little line. I thought there was gonna be a buy setup, to be honest. But when this candle was printed, this bearish around me, I'm like, oh no, we are back in our sales. So because the overall move is actually sales, but I did see like the possible W formation that had happened. Um, I think it was this candle here. She did go up to maybe about, I think it was like 60 pips or something. Oh no, it was only 38 pips. 38, 40 pips, and then she continued to go down. So you actually had the re-entry right here, but I did not take that re-entry, even though I did see the bearish engulfing. I mean the bearish harami, but I didn't take this setup because I don't know what I was doing. Probably busy. Don't know. All right, so EJ. There was a buy setup. I think this one that happened on Friday. The setup happened either Friday or Sunday. I have to go back. But I did see the buy setup. I already knew it because this was the 50 to 61 percentile. We got that bullish Harami that took place and she actually moved up. So 413 pips in the bag. And then I have a sale setup. She's bouncing around, but I really think that she's going to hold it. I don't have a high stop loss because just in case she does want to continue to go up, I don't want to just, risk it. But I do have a sale and I'm actually currently in this sale. I'm just gonna ride it out to either she take profit or she hit my stop loss. And to be honest, I think that, hold on, my stop loss was like here. Yeah, 41 pips, still over at 2 to 1 risk to reward, going for 256 pips. I actually have it stopped right here. It could potentially go down, but based off that wick formation and how price um, actually repeated itself, this may be just, I don't think that she would go that far, but we would definitely check and see when we get there. So we are, it's like little 12 pips in profit. It did get down to 57 pips. Um, so I'm actually gonna hold this one out and see what happens. So EA, we've been waiting for the buy for EA. That and she finally broke out this little consolidation pattern that had happened. So I think with the buy setup that I had, that was on Monday, but I was looking for buys in general because I like the pattern formation. I also like the bullish engulfing that took place here as well. So I did have a setup for only, I think it was like 100 pips. We're really like 98 pips. She did clear that to the T, but she continued to go up. So if you did hold that trade, you are definitely in some good amount of profit. Uh-oh, my washing machine trying to do laundry. 317 in profit, but you did have the option to get in for an entry after she broke out. So she broke out, she came and retest. I actually had an alert right here. She came and retest, and then she brought again. We are almost close to our weekly support and resistance right here. Really think that she will feel it because overall, you guys know I was looking for that buy. It's an inverted head and shoulders. She's gonna go ahead and complete that. And she probably already completed it, but I still like how everything is working. And then I like how that candle form is still pushing up currently. All right. USDK, guys, know how long I've been waiting for this. I think almost 2 weeks for this stupid buy. It's not stupid, but waiting 2 weeks for this freaking buy. We finally is in profit. I don't know, but I still have my good educated guess and analysis here that she will fill this daily void or this daily gap that's in the market. I actually need to widen it. So, okay, that's better. I really feel like that she's going to hit it. She's has already, we've already cleared 167 168 pips in the bag. She finally broke out today. So if you are looking for a retest, gotta sit on your hands for a retest, guys, because she's already started pushing up. If you did get in low at the bottom. So if you held on with me, this is why I say patient pays. You could easily take your profit. You don't have to wait for this because this could take a little bit longer as well, as we already know. But this was a beautiful, beautiful setup, and she finally did what she wanted to do. You guys know on my previous videos, I've been literally waiting for this forever. It felt like I was, I don't know, holding on for dear life or something. All right, USD JPY. We said that she's going to buy. She did actually fill this void that was in the market. I guess that was on a 1 hour. It was some void. Let's see. Oh, that was on a daily. That was a daily void that was filled. It actually happened. It actually happened Tuesday. And then she came. Now we are in a place where either she wants to continue to go up, right? Because we have been buying. All right, she can easily just go ahead and complete her little pattern to get into this daily support and resistance here. This orange this line that's right here, or or because let me, where's the start of that wick? There we go. Um, she could easily fall down as well. But a couple things that I do like, I like this doji candle here. It lets us know that buyers are still have a strong and strong in the market still. This previous candle right here. But also this is a doji, which is an indecision. So I would like to see what that next candle does. Since she cleared that daily void, she may be able to, she may continue to go down. So we definitely need to see what happens there. Either she can hit this 4-hour support and resistance, or she can hit the daily support and resistance and fall. But if you actually took that buy setup, the first entry was here. And this is really kind of the second entry. That's another 100 pips. But yeah, so she did what she needed to do, and she brought as well because EU was selling, USD was buying. All right. Don't go over indexes, but if you are trading my indexes is still in profit as well, guys. DXY. So DXY, I think on Sunday we were waiting to see what was going to happen with the DXY, if she was going to break out or if she was going to continue to go down. Since then, she actually has a broke out and she cleared some things. She cleared that daily void that we have, either a daily or that 1 hour look actually good. Nope, it was a daily void. So she came on and she cleared that daily void by today's candle. Okay. Um, and now that she cleared, all we have to do is just move these fibs back to the highest point of that lower high that she formed. Uh-oh, stop. And she still has some wiggle room, guys. If she wants to either continue to push up or if she wants to start selling back again. As she does want to sell again, we need to see some more price action to let us know that she needs to sell. But that's a strong bullish candle, so she can continue to buy, guys. So I don't currently have a setup for DSY. And then also what is happening tomorrow is some major news, guys. So we will see what happens, what unemployment claims and ISM claims will do. I kind of already expected this was actually going to be higher than what we expected because they've been talking about unemployment last week. They're saying unemployment is good and all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. So that was a little bit expected. If the unemployment USD number is good, all the other things was going to fall, which we like. EU fall, which we like. She go ahead and clear that voice. Now that our voice has been set, we just have to wait and see what price action tells us if we're going to buy, if we're going to sit on our hands, and what may be expected. So tomorrow is really, really volatile along with Friday. So just if you had your profits, go on and enjoy your profits for right now. Don't give back to the market. Yeah. So that is all that I have for you guys. I hope your Wednesday was great to you. I hope your week is great to you as well. And I hope you've been making some money. Now, like I said, we're waiting to see the DSY does price action wise. So you can probably continue her trend to continue to go up. But we definitely have to see if EU goes up, then USD CAD can probably sell. We are in that area where she can sell, or if she wants to continue to go up. That's why I said go ahead and take your profit. You don't really have to wait on this setup if you don't want to. It's going to give us another entry anyways. The retracement always has to happen. It's going to retrace. USD JPY uh, potentially can sell. Just waiting for that next, formation to let us know if she wants to sell. Like I said, she is in the void has been filled, and she is in that area where she can easily turn back around. Um, and then we'll dissect our indexes. So yeah, that's all that I have. Make sure that you guys are following me, Merida Goddess to me too, on all of your social media platforms. MARTHEGODESS, two number twos. It's only one D because that's what I want it to be. Also, I will be clearing my June trades, and I will be posting them on my social medias if you want to go back and review. As well, I think we actually did good. We probably only had like one loss out of I don't know. I think we definitely did have over more than 12 trades that was placed in July. And only one loss, maybe even two, probably just one. We probably took profits early as well, but you would definitely see it on my information if you guys are enjoying um my trades, my analysis, my setups. Please let me know if you are profiting. I would love to know that you guys are profiting off of my trade setups as well. Make sure that you guys are not over leveraging. Use that risk calculator if you need to, because we don't want to give back more if we lose a trade. All right, so that is all that I have for you guys. And if you know anyone who may need this information, please feel free to tag them, share my information, add them, anything. I am always here to help. It's August, guys. Next week, the kids will start going back to school. So I may be a little bit more free during the day. I cannot give you any promises. As you guys know, I am definitely into the kids' schools, and I volunteer a lot there. And I'm on different organizations with the schools as well. So depending on what the schedule is, I will have that availability to do live sessions. But if I don't, then I will still be back here for my Wednesdays and Sundays. Definitely next week will not be a slow it down slow it down Saturday, because I am getting prepared for the kids to go to school. And I think that's all. If you have any kids that have already went to school, I definitely pray over them and make sure that they have a great school year. And if they are starting school next week as well, I definitely wish them the best, and I'm praying for them as well. You guys have a wonderful week. If I haven't been able to do any live sessions this week in the morning times. Um, because the kids have been here, and I want to spend as much time as I can with them during this last week of school. Of summer. And yeah, that's all I got. Let's make some money still and enjoy your lives. That's all I have for you guys. What I can say, let me just reward myself. I know you guys don't care about this, but I am a mom. And after all the running around and shopping and trying to find, I went to, oh, I went to different stores to try to find these freaking pair of pants. Like nobody had a certain pair of pants. I found the pants. I'm gonna have to order the book bags online, but they have book bags already here. So with the book bags that I'm looking for, they don't sell them in stores. So I'm gonna have to order those online. But anyways, and also dinner has been made before 6 p.m. It's quiet in my house right now. That's kind of crazy at a 6 p.m. And I could be able to work on my second business. Um, and I got some new ventures coming up as well. So I'm really happy about that. But that's all my little spiel. um, yeah, that's it. You guys have a great one. I will see you guys, if not this week, it would definitely be next week on Sunday. And I wish you guys the best. Later.